Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing travel bubbles yet again, and this may be the last time we discuss travel bubbles on this channel because it appears that travel bubbles may be a thing of the past. For those who are unaware, travel bubbles was this kind of amorphous euphemism that the immigration authorities came up with to define this kind of bilateral relationship between jurisdictions that had gotten the COVID-19 situation, sort of for lack of a better term, under control, and they were going to allow these kind of corridors between these countries to allow tourists to traverse back and forth. In a recent article from the Bangkok Post, that's bangkokpost.com, article is titled "Travel Bubbles Plan Tip to be Put on Ice." Quoting directly, travel bubbles are likely to be delayed after several countries eyed for the scheme have seen a resurgence of COVID-19 cases, according to the Civil Aviation Authority of Thailand. Quoting further, CAAT Director General Chula Sukmanop said even though talks about travel bubble arrangements are being thrashed out with a number of countries, including China, Japan, and South Korea, the scheme will be put on hold due to a spike in infections. He said Thailand will be closely monitoring the COVID-19 situation this month. So for those who are interested in reading that further, there is more information and insight in that. Again, travel bubbles plan tip to be put on ice. It's bangkokpost.com. Coming from Thai Visa, which is quoting Thai Wrath, and Thai Wrath is at www.thairath.co.th. The headline is, and this is from ThaiVisa.com, headline is, Thailand travel bubble in chaos, plan for international flights between participating countries put off indefinitely. Quoting directly, Thai Wrath reported that Thailand's plans to set up a so-called travel bubble among countries that have coronavirus under control are being put on hold. Quoting further, Civil Aviation Authority senior figure Chula Sukmanop said that the renewed spikes meant that the bubble plans would be delayed indefinitely. Now was a time to concentrate on the domestic market while the government figures out what countries should be in the bubble over the next couple of months. So, long story short, and we've discussed this somewhat at length in the past week or so, this travel bubble initiative apparently presupposed a kind of dual-track immigration into Thailand. There would be sort of the standard immigration, which we've all come to know and love, for lack of a better term, and then there would be this sort of travel bubble initiative, which would be kind of grafted over the top of it, if you will. That apparently is not going to be possible moving forward, and we are currently looking at a situation where this travel bubble scheme is shelved, at least into the foreseeable future. So I don't think it's prudent to look at that being a possibility moving forward. Standard immigration protocols are somewhat in place, although there is heightened scrutiny as well as a rather, for lack of a better term, cumbersome set of obstacles that are now associated with getting a visa to Thailand and ultimately getting on a plane and ultimately being admitted to Thailand. In fact, it's a multi-phase process now. I will be making new videos on this as this week rolls on. I should be able to get them released. We are trying to release this information as quickly as possible to provide as much insight as we can to people in these very trying and unprecedented times. But long story short, in the foreseeable future, and by foreseeable future, for purposes of this video, I mean approximately the next 90 days. It does not look like a travel bubble is going to be there. Getting into Thailand may be possible depending on your circumstances. There are different visa categories which are currently being admitted into Thailand, or at least they are saying they are admitting people into Thailand under certain visa categories. And we will be making videos and posting them as quickly as we can in order to provide insight on this situation as things progress.